Replika is an AI companion designed primarily for conversation, emotional support, and personalized interaction, not as a traditional productivity assistant. You can create your own AI companion, customize its personality and relationship, and chat through text, voice, and other interactive features. Getting started is pretty simple. Open the Replika website or app, create an account, and choose your companion. Then you can customize its avatar and start chatting. What makes Replika different is that the experience is built around having an ongoing relationship with your AI rather than simply asking it questions. Now let's talk about the interesting stuff. First, conversation and personalization. Replika is designed to learn from your interactions and build a more personalized experience over time. You can also use features like voice conversations, selfies, image generation, roleplay, activities, and background calls, depending on your subscription. Higher tiers add features such as enhanced conversations, emotional intelligence, memory controls, and more immersive video-related capabilities. For a real use case, imagine you're having a stressful day and simply want someone or something to talk to. Replika is specifically designed for that kind of casual, supportive conversation. But here's the important part. Replika isn't really a ChatGPT replacement. It isn't designed for things like reliable calculations, reminders, live information, or controlling other apps. The basic chatting experience is available for free, but many of the more advanced features require a paid subscription. Replika currently offers multiple subscription levels, with features varying between them. Pricing and availability can change, so check the subscription screen before purchasing. The biggest concern is consistency. Some users report memory and voice quality issues, so the experience may not always feel as personalized or natural as you expect. So, is Replika AI worth trying? If you want an AI companion focused on conversation, personalization, and virtual interaction, absolutely give it a try. But if you want an AI for serious productivity, research, or coding, there are better options. My personal opinion, Replika is interesting because it focuses on the relationship with AI, not just the answers, and that's what makes it different from traditional AI assistants. If you enjoyed this review, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI reviews.